Snow expected all night. It will vary in intensity from time to time, pausing at midnight late Friday night / early Saturday morning. You can see, according to Futurecast, some of our heavier snow starting to lift its way out of the area, and we get a brief break before a band of heavy snow again at about 4:30 in the morning tries to move on through the area, and then things lighten up as we head through the mid-morning hours, so that by 11 o'clock or so you can see a lot of us just seeing cloudy skies, a few flurries mainly over the tip of the thumb and up north. As we head through Saturday afternoon, by and large we're looking at just cloudy skies, a flurry here and there, but by Sunday morning at about 9:30, the leading edge of our next weather system, another Alberta Clipper, makes its way in. The snow will begin right around this time and pick up as we head into the afternoon hours. Here's 2 o'clock. You can see the darker blues moving over the area, but it doesn't snow all day or all night. I think after 8 o'clock the snow on Sunday will begin to taper off. So although these next two systems aren't going to produce especially heavy amounts, they will produce a lot of blowing and drifting, and it will add on to the snow that we already have on the ground, and we've seen plenty of it so far in January. In fact, we could see our snowiest January on record in Flint by the time the weekend is over with. It may even happen as soon as Saturday morning. Overnight tonight, we're looking at 1 to 3 inches of snowfall, but because of winds gusting over 35 to maybe even 40 miles an hour to the southwest and west, we're going to see a lot of blowing and drifting. So we could be looking at drifts measured in feet by your Saturday morning. Overnight, temperatures will actually rise into the lower 20s with snow and blowing snow, 1 to 3 inches of accumulation expected. And then for tomorrow, we fall back to 14 degrees by afternoon. And those snow showers will in general taper off. For the most part, we'll be looking at some minor accumulations, additional accumulations, I should say, through about noon, and then just flurries during the afternoon. Your extended forecast: Sunday's high about the same as Saturday's, up to 14, and another 1 to 3 inches of snow expected with that next clipper. Probably not quite as windy with Sunday's system, but still enough wind to cause some more blowing and drifting. Down to 0 on Sunday night, and by the way, Saturday night we dropped to 6 below 2 with some temporary clearing. And it doesn't get any warmer from there. In fact, another Arctic blast coming Monday through Wednesday of next week, with highs stuck in the single digits, lows well below 0 at night, and wind chills even colder than that. We could be looking at wind chills at times as cold as 30 degrees below 0 between Monday and Wednesday night. And then we modify a little bit back up into the teens for highs by Thursday and Friday, but we do have another chance of snow in the forecast on Thursday.